Hi guys, so I got apple pie and Ruky is here with her, what's that?
Chocolate pie.
Chocolate pie, yeah. So, look, it sizzles.
And then it doesn't. Oh,
Don't say that.
oh does it?
Sorry. Okay. Ayan. Oh, wow.
This is good for sorry, peace. I don't know if your channel has cost.
Okay, I think so. It's shit and all that also. Oh my gosh, it's so bagal.
Oh my hot.
I was craving for this, so yeah. And we got lemongrass.
That's so good. Oh my god, if only you guys could taste it. So yummy.
Thumbnail.
Thumbnail. Oh yeah, that's good. Do your nose. Oh, so bright. Can I borrow this because I need to vlog too?
So guys, that's it. We're just hanging out. You know, it's already like 1 a.m. and we're still out. And we're in Camp John Pay. So yeah, I cannot show you around because it's very dark. I'm just using my flash. And we have Ruky here now.
I always get shot.
Vlogging.
I'm sorry
I'm
guys.
gonna change her thing.
Okay, bye.
Bye. Hi guys, I know it's been a while I didn't vlog because it's been raining here for almost how many days, and it stops but then it's cold again. So right now I just went out. My sister and I just went out because we have no food, so we have to buy. So we just bought from SM and now we are going home. Is there like a slogan that says like no vlogging while driving? Ha. So we are home. Hi guys, so we are home and I will be cooking dinner since it's already light. It's already 9 p.m. So yeah, I decided to make, I don't know what's it called. It's like pork. I'm gonna barbecue it. So pork barbecue, pork belly barbecue, Pinoy style. So I marinated it with soy sauce and calamansi. If you guys know what that is, we've always like talk about it. So I'm gonna show you again. This is it. Yeah, so marinated there, and then I already set up the, what do you call this, the grill thing. So I'm just gonna grill it there. I'm gonna put this while grilling. What do you call that? The sauce thingy? No. So anyways, that's the thing. The pork, right? So I'll grill it, and while grilling it, I will put this is a mixture of ketchup, sugar, and some of the liquid thingy there, and then we're just gonna mix it with a brush. Okay. Look at that! So this is the aftermath. So I have my rice and this pork belly. And I'm gonna eat dinner. And look who's jealous. Oh, I could only see her ass. Scar, are you jealous, Scar? So let's eat, guys. Well, that's all for today. It's very short because there's nothing to do. Like, Ruky and I have been trying to to go on a bike ride for how many days, but it's raining and it's foggy, and I might get copyright with this song. So yeah, very short, and I'll see you guys next time. Thank you. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. So, pieces from a piece.